To uninstall Oracle JDK, right-click, select Open Terminal, we get a terminal. Check Install Oracle JDK Packages. For that, use the command java -version. If you have Oracle JDK installed, then you'll get the version with few specification details. I have Java version 14.0.2 installed in my system. Check if you have multiple JDK packages installed in your system. For that, use the command sudo dpkg list grep -i JDK command. dpkg is a package manager for Debian based system. So enter the password for root user. I have only one JDK Oracle JDK package installed. That is Oracle Java 14 installer. And the grep command is used to search a given file. So I'm using grep command to find JDK file here. Let's clear the screen. To remove Oracle JDK 14 -installer package, use the command as shown sudo apt get purge Oracle Java 14 installer. So press enter. So you'll see something like this. After this operation, 123 KB disk will be freed. Do you want to continue? Type Y and press enter. So the uninstallation of Oracle JDK is progressing. So the advantage of using purge is that along with JDK, the configuration file and log files will also be removed completely. So there will be no broken packages. So the uninstallation process is progressing. It's taking some time. So we are done with uninstallation. Let's clear the screen to avoid confusions. Clear. Okay. We have to verify now whether the uninstallation of Oracle JDK was successful or not. For that, use java -version. So no such file or directory, which clearly means the uninstallation process of Oracle JDK was successful. Let's check compiler version. So there's no compiler now. So uninstalling JDK means compiler will also be automatically uninstalled